Hi everybody, this is our 2025 Scout 255 Dorado walkthrough. My name is Frank Kenteski. Let's check out the boat. Beautiful boat here. This is the shark gray exterior hull color with midnight edition. This is a full hull color, so it goes down all the way to that keel. Perfect boat for a lift, or we can set up some bottom paint. Peter will make his way up towards the bow, showing off that nice flare that Scout has. Windlass with the tender pole up there in the bow. As we make our way back, you'll see that nice black piping of the Midnight Edition. We do have fender clips on board. The power package on the back of the boat is twin Mercury 200s in black. We have underwater lights, and then an awesome feature is the Seakeeper ride system. We'll pop up inside. I'll show you off the cockpit and the helm. Here in the cockpit of the boat, we're showing off the Grigio interior. The transom seat and the port side seat do fold away pretty easily. This seat right here is electric. It will come out and meet that port side seat. As we make our way back across the transom, we have our live well, rod holders, cup holders, ski tow bar. Table Kent is removable and will store down in the head. Nice little wet bar here with grill, sink, and the pull-out Yeti cooler, and a spot for some utensils. Making our way up to the helm, we match that Midnight Edition with a black helm wheel, Garmin screen with storage, halo switching, Fusion stereo, and a VHF. On the port side, here's showing off our bow filler cushion, wireless phone charger, double wide co-captain seat, head setup, and I'll let Pete go up to the bow. Again, showing off that Grigio interior, which is a nice lighter gray with a whiter creamy color. Both seats have armrests, storage in the floor here, JL audio speakers, a little bit of winterization in there, but we do have the ladder that goes overboard, and then rod holder, cup holders. So again, this is a 2025 Scout 255 Dorado. My name is Frank Kenteski. See you out on the water.